Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eskan and I hope that you are all good and healthy. Happy New Year to everyone. In today's video, I am going to share with you a topic about air humidifier. My son gave this to me as a gift last Christmas and he told me that it has lots of health benefits. So I'll give it a try. Without further ado, let's get started.
Do you know that humidifiers add moisture to the air? This can benefit people with respiratory symptoms or dry skin. According to research, dry air can cause moisture to evaporate from the skin and respiratory symptoms to worsen over time. Adding moisture to the air with a humidifier can counteract these problems. It is written in the medical newsletter that some people experience respiratory symptoms in the summer months when the weather is hot and the air contains more allergens. Air conditioners and fans can circulate dry air through the room, and air conditioners remove any moisture from the air. A humidifier may be beneficial during this season. However, people are more likely to benefit from a humidifier in the cold months, when cold air dries out the lungs, nose, and lips. Also, some types of central heating can dry out the air indoors. According to research, there are benefits of a humidifier, and it includes preventing influenza. Authors of one study noted that humidifiers might reduce the risk of catching the flu. After adding the influenza virus to the air with a simulated cough, researchers found that humidity levels above 40% rapidly deactivated virus particles, making them much less likely to be infectious. Another benefit of humidifier is that it makes a cough more productive. Dry air can cause a person to have a dry, unproductive cough. Adding humidity to the air can get more moisture into the airways, which can make a cough more productive. A productive cough releases trapped or sticky phlegm. It is stated in medical news today that some people notice that their skin, lips, and hair become dry and fragile in the winter. Many types of heating units pump hot, dry air through the house or office, which can make the skin dry, itchy, or flaky. Cold air outside can also dry out the skin. Therefore, using a humidifier to add moisture to the indoor air may help to reduce the occurrence of cracked skin. A humidifier can be a great way to add moisture to the air. but there are some risks to consider. Humidifiers turn water into breathable vapor in the air. If the unit's water tank is dirty, the vapor a person breathes will also be dirty. A dark humid tank is an environment that fosters germs, but regular cleaning can help to prevent any issues. Always clean a humidifier thoroughly as directed by the manufacturer. Water should not sit in the humidifier for too long. If the humidifier has a filter, be sure to replace it often. My friends, these are some of the research that I got from about air humidifier. It's been 3 weeks now that I have been using my air humidifier, and I found it effective, especially for my skin and hair. This ends my video about the topic air humidifiers. Thanks very much for watching, my friends. I hope that you're gonna have a lovely day ahead.